Having a hereditary cancer syndrome like Li-Fraumeni, it can be incredibly overwhelming, and it can be very, very isolating and very lonely.
Li-Fraumeni Syndrome, or LFS, is a hereditary cancer disorder linked to a mutation of the TP53 tumor suppressor gene. People with LFS have a greatly increased risk of developing cancer or even multiple cancers throughout their lives.
My son is actually upstairs recovering from surgery from his 4th cancer diagnosis. He's 24 years old and he's already had cancer 4 times.
Multiple family members with LFS may be battling cancer at the same time. Parents with LFS have a 50-50 chance of passing it to their kids, and half of LFS cancers develop before the age of 30.
I had adrenal cancer and sarcoma, which are both a part of LFS.
Living LFS encourages, empowers, and educates those living with Li-Fraumeni Syndrome.
The LFS support group on Facebook is the best place on the internet. The amount of love, support, help, and understanding people there provide is amazing, and they are the only reason I stay strong.
Without the knowledge, the support, the solidarity of a community of people who have a similar story and can help us through that, I can tell you that this already hard journey would have been exponentially harder.
Living LFS, or the Li-Fraumeni support groups on Facebook, I think of love, hope, family. I would be lost without these people.
The Living LFS group is often the first to know about research studies, treatment protocols, clinical trials, medical breakthroughs, and they will actually share it with the rest of us, and we'll be the ones telling our doctors how they should be treating us or how they should be screening us.
Every year I have a full body MRI because I'm at a high risk for cancer.
They have helped me through the most darkest times in my life due to Li-Fraumeni Syndrome.
I am so thankful for the information that empowers us to learn about our condition so that we can have adequate screening, so we can make treatment decisions that reduce genotoxicity, and that there's somebody who I know is always advocating for the patients.
There is such a love there, and everyone can relate. We've all lost, we've all loved, and life is truly precious to each one of us, so we know the value of tomorrow.
If you need any help or just someone to talk to, this is a place to go.
That's super important to me, is that the patients have a voice, and Living LFS gives us, and me and my son, that voice.
We try and make tomorrow, or even today, count.
I am Living LFS.
Consider becoming a friend of Living LFS. Visit livinglfs.org/donate.